to another video. So today we are going to try, which is super easy, super fun to do, as well as super satisfying. This video will be a really satisfying video, so watch till the end. So let's roll our intro. In this video we are going to try fluid art, or some call it pour art. What is fluid art or pour art? In this, we directly pour or sprinkle the color on the canvas without using any brushes. Then we let the color go or spread onto the canvas according to its wish, and the color itself will form a nice looking texture. So let's begin with our video. First we will do the unboxing of it, then we will start the video. So here, let's see what we get in this. So after cutting you will get like this a zip block over here. So the biggest thing in this is this canvas, which is sealed pack with plastic. That is a great thing, good packaging. I think so. This is the apron. Yes, this is the apron. And the last thing which we get is this colors, just 4 colors: light blue, turquoise blue, white, and Persian blue. I think so this will be a great experience. So to know my experience, you have to watch the whole video. But still, and by the way, this comes in 3 shades. According to this, I have the aqua shade, and it also comes in monochrome, which is black. It will be appearing on your screen, as well as sunset series, which is red color. Okay, that's great. We can have 3 things on our wall and it will look really nice. So let's begin the video. Boom. So what all I do with this is really a mystery for you guys to explore in the video.
Beneath all the rubble, and all that runs through my flesh is a spirit of trouble. Under moonlit sky, I'm desperate to feel more alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake, call me up out of the
I placed the canvas on a box, then poured some white color on it, and then a little bit color on it to see how the color flows on the canvas. Take the cup and fold the rim on one side to create a pointed edge. Pour the individual colors in it and build up the colors as you go. Okay. Second step is pour this bundle slowly via the pointed edge, creating small circles into the middle of the canvas. Oh, third step is tilt the canvas in different angles to give a seamless blend effect. Oh, let the excess color drip for a clean layer on the canvas. So the fourth thing is that and there you go, you have it.
and artistic abstract painting ready in no time. Remember to let the painting dry for at least 24 hours. Use varnish spray for protecting the artwork. So after drying it for 24 hours, I got this. So hope so you all watched the whole video and came back. So from my vision, this is something which is related to ocean. Like this is the deep ocean and the waves are going back to the ocean and meeting it. And this type of painting has its own beauty. If you place it anywhere, it will reflect its beauty from there. So do try it. It's just for 249 and you will learn a whole new process, a whole new lesson of patience, because one thing that I found while doing this painting is that the colors really move slowly on this canvas. That's the whole thing of this video. And I had some color in the cup. I did something really interesting from it, waste from waste. So I leave that question with you for till the next Sunday, and I will reveal that in the next Sunday that what I did with this.
Do comment down your thoughts on this painting and will you try it, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to see such new contents on every Sunday.